Today I'm taking a look at the LuccLinc premium audio cable. So definitely a nice heavy duty cable. We can see this is a fully braided cable. Most cables have kind of a silicone or a rubbery shielding on the outside. This one's going to be much more heavy duty, but is also still fairly flexible. One of the drawbacks of a braided cable, it looks like they managed to figure out how to mitigate that with this. It says a female to male cable. They have a very interesting hex design here on the plug. Most of these plugs are just a rounded plug, quite often even plastic. This is a full-on metal plug with a rubber boot there on the back. We have a metal clip and some good looking pins there on the male. It looks like they actually gave us some tags. So in the event that you want to separate these things out, write down what they're to, we can put that on that cable. Alright, I'll plug that into my setup. It does click in nicely. I don't feel like I have to force anything, which is good. And we'll plug that into the King B2. Okay, right now we are listening to it with this cable plugged in. I am kind of wiggling this cable around, trying to mess with it in the bottom, seeing if I can make any extra noises. And so far we do not have anything, no popping, no humming, anything like that. Test, 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 test. And now I'm just going to stay quiet for a minute and see if I can hear anything. I do hear a little bit of humming in the background, but that is the water heater. That is not this cable. So I do not hear anything that is being introduced by this cable, and that's very important. I'm also going to be wiggling around the cable on the interface, seeing if that does anything. And again, no crackling, no popping, no humming, nothing like that. Also, I want to see if I curl this up into a ball, something you're definitely not supposed to do with a cable because that can introduce interference. Test, 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 test. And again, nothing there, so we do have good shielding on this cable. So overall, that is an excellent cable.